Welcome back, guys. Just got back from the machine shop and repaired the bearing. It's good as new. Good as new. Perfect. Also machined the engine block. So it's all nice and ready to be assembled. And lastly, machined and polished the crankshaft. So all these are very important steps in order to make this a very proper build. So one of the reasons why we have to machine and polish the crankshaft is, firstly, the main thing, it will make more power. How? Because it will produce less friction and vibrate less. Since it's polished, the surface is smooth, right? So it will take less energy to rotate the whole crankshaft. It results in more power. Secondly, the crankshaft will last longer. It also, I think it, due to the smoothness, it will also consume a little bit less fuel. So from now, we'll start to clean up all the components that will be going to the engine, and then we can start assembling it, hopefully by tomorrow. Alright, see you guys. Okay, so we just finished installing the sleeves. So now we will prep the engine for assembly. So just getting my guys over here to clean up the engine, and then assembly should start right about tomorrow, or maybe even tonight if we are free. Just finished assembling the engine finally, after 4 grueling days. The engine is finally complete.